Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing the July/August edition of Chic Beauty Box. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so for today's look, it's brought to you by the Dose of Color Smoky Soiree. I think I said that right. It is brought to you by that palette. I really like the look that I did the other day in my video when I did a review on the Dose of Color's new palettes. And I just wanted to try to doing a more smoky, like sultry, sexy date night vibe. I was really liking how it turned out. But besides that, y'all, I'm so excited. We have the Chic Beauty Box. This is the July and August edition box. Now, I recently got this box 2 months ago, the May-June box review. I want to say back in, was it May or June? It was one of those two, and I really freaking love that box. All right, guys, so if you guys don't know, Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly box. So every 2 months or every other month, you guys will be charged $34.99 to get this wonderful box right here. You do get about 4 to 5 full-size products in here with a retail value of over $100. Now, the coolest thing about this is that it does range from drugstore to luxury items in this box. Unfortunately, since it is based in Canada, you guys do have to pay shipping, handling. In my last video, I said that you did not have to, but it is, I think, $7.95 for shipping and handling, bring your total out to like 42 something every other month. Now, what is really cool is that yes, you can sign up for this bi-monthly, or you could just purchase the box individually. Say you saw what was coming out for the July and August and you still were unsure if you wanted to sign up for this subscription, you can just pay $39.99 and you can still get that box compared to just paying the $34.99 every other month to get the boxes. So it's up to you on what type of plan you want to have. And I actually do have a discount code with Chic Beauty Box. Now, this is not an affiliate code, so I do not get paid for it. It's just a discount code for you guys. If you guys use the code AllieX10, it's going to save you guys 10% off your box. Which is so freaking cool. They provided the code for me. I was just literally so blown away when they said, hey, can we offer you a discount code? I'm like, yes. So like I said, you guys can sign up for this box. You guys will save 10% using my code. And let's just dive on into this. I really thoroughly enjoyed my last Chic Beauty Box. I loved all the items that I got in there, especially because all the items were makeup, which is fantastic. Because if you guys haven't been on the channel for a while, or you guys are new to this channel, or if you guys just are new to subscription boxes in total, ever since the whole COVID-19 happened, almost every single subscription box that I have received has been full of nothing but freaking skincare. So it's kind of nice to take a step back and get a product that's just, I don't know, makeup. Also, I did get an update on my Ipsy. Ipsy did emailed me like yesterday saying that, hey, we noticed that your order still wasn't delivered. Don't worry, pal, it's still on the way, but here's 1,200 points to use in our shop. But little did they know, Bank of America already paid back my money for that box, so joke's on them. Okay, so the Chic Beauty Box actually came in this little packaging right here, which I actually tore open because one of the items actually was out of the box. It's this Clarin mask. It is a super restorative instant lift serum mask right inside here. Now, if you guys don't know, I'm not really the biggest fan of masks. I like having them, but I have a handful of masks. I know that Clarins is a really luxurious high-end skincare product, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesdays. Maybe someone would get a better use out of this than I would. So that's actually really cool. I like how they have that out in here, and on the back it has like an illustration on how to wear the mask. Okay, so there's 2 different variations that you guys could have gotten for this box. You could have gotten variation number 1 or variation number 2. And what I really enjoy about this is that not only do they show the price points for each product, but they tell you what your total value of the box would be. So it'd either be $102.99 or $103.49. I freaking love that because whenever I do any of these unboxings, I always try to total up the value of the box for you guys. So they sit there and do all the math, and this is done for me, which is amazing. So the first product that I see in here is from Tarte. This is the Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. So this is in both variations. So this retails for $22. This is in the shade Fire Dancer. What is oh, it's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow. Ooh. So this is the product right here. It is super pretty, but I'm not going to go ahead and swatch this because I already have so many of these sort of like paint pots or like shadows because I have a whole collection of Color Pop Super Shock shadows, and I freaking love those shadows, but I literally have so many. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this right back into its packaging because I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. It's really beautiful though, I like that. The next product we have is from Clinique. This is Clinique Pop. This is a lip color and primer. This is in the shade Raspberry Pop. And this is in variation number 2. So it looks like I have variation number 2 box right here. So let's take a look at this. I can't believe they're putting Clinique products in here. I know I'm gonna sound so wrong saying this, but I still think of Clinique as someone like an older generation likes to shop at. 'Cause my mom is like obsessed with Clinique, and like growing up, that was like the luxury brand to have. And it's kind of like us looking at like Marc Jacobs or Dior or Jouer or, you know, Tom Ford. Like that is, I feel like that's what Clinique is to the older generation compared to us, where we look at like Tom Ford and stuff as like our like luxurious items. Does that make sense? But this is this product right here. This is freaking beautiful, really beautiful. Doesn't have a smell to it at all, but it is a primer and a lip color. So I think it's gonna be a nice hydrating little lip right there. I actually am gonna keep this for myself because I have not tried out any of Clinique's makeup products. So I'm really, really curious to see how this feels on the lips, and not to mention it's really, really beautiful. So beautiful. And if I end up just not being the biggest fan of it, I'll just give it to my mom because my mom would love this tremendously for sure. All right, the next item is from Too Faced. This is the Peach Kiss. This is a moisture matte longwear lipstick infused with peach and sweet fig milk. What? So this retails right here for $21, and this is in the shade Make Me Blush. Dude, there's like freaking all name brands in here. That is amazing. Oh, this is really cute packaging right here. So when you open this up, ooh, that is really pretty. Oh, bitch. That smells so good. Okay, I need to swatch this one. Oh, I should swatch the Clinique one. Ooh, that is a really, really nice color. It's a little pinky, but I feel like if you were to mix this with something else, you could probably tone it down to be the color that you want. Or you could do like a deeper liner and put this right in the middle to like brighten it up, however you guys want to do so. But let me swatch the Clinique one too. Oh my gosh, wow, that Clinique has a lot of pigment to it. So these are the two shades right here. Very beautiful, and it's very complimentary to a lot of people out there. Sometimes these boxes, like, I don't know, sometimes BoxyCharm throws in like doo-doo brown color. So it's kind of nice to see them putting in like actual wearable colors in here. Super pretty. All right, and the last product that we got in here is Milani Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $10.99 right here. I actually thoroughly enjoy Milani products. I think Milani is a really, really wonderful drugstore brand. I think their eyeshadows perform beautifully, and I literally have so many Milani eyeshadow palettes at this point because I thoroughly enjoy them. So this is such a beautiful palette, but I'm going to go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday only because it is a neutral eye palette, and I don't really need any of those because I gear more towards color. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday, but it's really cool in the back. It shows you what type of look you can create. So this box total is $103.49. You got 6 items in here. 6 full-size items for the price of $34.99. I think that is absolutely fantastic. I really, really love the packaging. It is very, very simple. I feel it's not like wasteful. Like there's sometimes like when you look at like BoxyCharm or Ipsy, sometimes they'll put like these really big boxes for not that many products inside, and I just feel like it's so wasteful. So I really like how compact everything is. So I think that is so freaking cool, and I like the fact that I'm adding 2 items into my No Waste Wednesday, and I feel like this box is just always so much fun. This is the second time that I've gotten this box, and yes, it was sent to me in PR, but you guys know I'm always gonna be completely honest with you, and I really, really, really freaking enjoyed this box. I truly do. It's all makeup. Yeah, I got 1 skincare item, but it's all freaking makeup. And I just feel like you can't beat having a box full of makeup, and it's all like name brand. You know, you got your Too Faced, you got your Clinique, you got your Milani, you got your Tarte, you got your Clarins. I think that is so cool, and I cannot thank Chic Beauty Box enough for sending this box my way. Like I said, this is going to be the July and August edition right here for you guys. It does retail for $39.99 if you just want to do the 1 box, or if you want to sign up for bi-monthly, it is $34.99, and you guys can use code AllieX10 to save 10% off your purchase. You do have to pay for shipping and handling, like I said, which is like $7.95 because this does ship out from Canada, but this box is so cool. I really cannot wait to see what they do for the September-October edition. Ooh, I hope it's like a spooky Halloween theme. I really hope it's like a spooky Halloween theme. That'd be actually really cool. One of the things I will say, and I say this in the most kind-heartedest way possible, what I also really enjoy about Chic Beauty Box is that they generally do like your post, they comment on your post, they share your post, and there's some brands out there that I have worked with before in the past, and they just act like you just don't exist. So it's really nice to be acknowledged by a brand, and it's something that I really, really like. I take that to heart, and it makes me want to love that brand even more. Does that make sense? But yeah, that is it for today's unboxing. This is like such a short unboxing. I feel like my unboxing videos are getting shorter and shorter, but there's only so much I could talk about a product, you know. And I know some of you guys really want me to do like try-ons. I've gotten asked quite a few times to say, why don't you come on with a bare face and then just do a try on of the products? Well, the reason why I don't do that is because I like to give these products away to you if I know that I'm not going to use it. So that's why I don't want to do that, because I feel like it'd just be wasteful. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day. Also, if you guys have not already, today's the very, very last day you guys can enter to my Raw Beauty Christy X Pure Cosmetics Collection giveaway. I'm giving away the eyeshadow palette. The giveaway does close tonight, so make sure you guys go check that video out. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can go enter and your chance to win. And also, make sure you guys go follow my other channels, All for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful, adventurous, amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Oh my God. Hey guys. Oh God. The May, June, July, which is so freaking cool that they provided this box so that maybe somebody will get a better use out of me. Oh, excuse me.